Oops. Oops, my finger hit the thing. Well, you know what? Me too. Lucky for you, the safety's on.
Look at my trigger finger.
The door. I got it. Don't worry, I got it. You got your hands full. Now, let's not show anybody, like, say, the other homeowner this video.
Okay.
Do you have your steel tip? We should have had our cowboy boots on.
Oh.
Why don't you do anything right? Now, where's that varmint?
I have metal on my shoes. Does that count? I have a gold chain. Look, we're like matchy.
Looks like they already got shot with a gold bullet. Oh yeah, you're right. We actually.
Stay here.
Okay, that's a boob shot. Okay.
I'm trying to get our
first ever.
I'm trying to get our brass boots in the
rifle range boob shot.
I'm trying to get our brass boots in the.
Did you just say breast? I'm just trying to get our breast.
Never mind.
Just trying to get our breast.
Come on, let's.
Okay, this was what.
Do you have a nail so we can hang this up on?
Why are you whining?
We need to. Let's just go.
How about a tack? Why are you poking me? Okay, listen. Yeah. Oh, I get it. You want me, now I get it. You want me to wear camo, don't you?
Yes, I do.
That is not an attractive shot of me just in my midsection. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go get 2 sharp objects. Get it more like this.
Hurry up.
Go.
All
right. Well, what are you going to talk about while I'm gone?
I don't know.
Yeah, good luck.
Maybe the color of the day. Maybe the scent of the day. Today's color of the day, as you can see, is clearly blatantly white. Okay, so I'm going to put the targets down. So today's color of the day. Pretty. Anyways, today's color of the day is white. Yep, wearing white. White reminds me of snow, airplane. Sorry, hold on. Gotta get my phone. Okay. So, white flowers.